Wade here with Shop for Your Kids or Die. Wanted to give you a little update as to what Jack and Grant are getting for Christmas this year, barring Mom's veto authority, which I'll find out about somewhere around 7:30 this evening. Love you, Mom. See you soon. On to the gifts. Gift number one for Grant would be the Leapfrog My Own Laptop. Comes complete with the ability to receive emails, play songs, and completely learn both alphabet, music, and animal sounds, tones, and general structure. Gift number two is the Serco 4-puzzle storage rack. This comes complete with wood puzzle pieces, little knobs to make insertion and extraction much easier, and general tidiness of the house will be a benefit. And gift number three. Gift number three is what they like to call Okie Dokie. It's the ability for us to record a small little tune, Grant to act like he is a rock star, and record his own stuff. Also comes in a pre-wrapped gift box. Now on to the older child. We have what they like to call Leapster GS Explorer. This is the cat's ass. Camera, video recorder, motion sensor, stylus, or touchscreen, age 4 to 9 years old, with an extra bonus app, 4 apps included at a $35 plus value. Since each child needs to be treated equally, I also took the liberty of getting 2 additional gifts for Jack. One of them will be an additional accessory to the Leapster GS, which is a Leapster GS carrying case complete with game storage capacity. And the last thing is, he's going to be one smart young man. Pre-K through first grade, 4 to 7-year-old mathematics. Leap School Math. That's all we got for today, folks. On to the basement to work on that wall.